This is David Black. I'm a criminal defense lawyer in Phoenix, Arizona. Today I'm talking to you about Warrant. Sometimes people call me frequently, and the first contact we have is a discussion from a prospective client that they've discovered that they have an arrest warrant. Arrest warrants are a general term, but really what we're talking about are bench warrants. And bench warrants are warrants that are issued by the court, not something that the police have applied for. So an arrest warrant typically would be an officer thinks he has probable cause and he goes to a magistrate or to a judge and gets permission to go arrest the individual. But more commonly, we're talking about bench warrants, which are missed court dates. And so somebody might have a simple case. Maybe they have a domestic violence case, a misdemeanor, or a DUI. They moved and they were applying for a new job. And lo and behold, 3 years ago, the Phoenix Municipal Court issued a bench warrant. A lot of times that person calls me and they're in a panic and they're stressed and they're explaining to me how it's not their fault, that they didn't know that they had court, and that it's not fair and that they shouldn't be in trouble for this warrant. And I stop them and I say, don't worry, 95 out of 100 times you're not in more trouble because of the warrant. All right. There are some exceptions to that, but it's very rare that the warrant actually matters, especially if it wasn't your fault. What happens is you hire us or you hire a lawyer and we file a motion, and it's called a motion to quash warrant. And invariably, or almost invariably, the court grants it, especially if there's good cause. So in the circumstance of the individual who moved away, of course, that's good cause. They didn't have notice. They didn't intentionally fail to appear. We get the warrant quashed. We ask the court to set a pretrial conference or an arraignment, whatever the next date would be. And then we pick up the case wherever it left off. Now, if somebody has missed court, gotten a warrant quashed, gone to court again, missed again, gotten a warrant quashed, gone to court again, missed again, suddenly we have some issues where the judge might say, well, I'll quash this, but I want you to post a bond, or I'll quash this, but I want you to come in and address it with the court. That is also the procedure for felonies. So whereas misdemeanors will typically just quash the warrant and let me handle it for our clients, in superior court for felony cases and in state court, the judge will frequently say, they won't even say this, but they will quash it, but they want you to come in. So they set a hearing, or what they call an oral argument, on the motion to quash. Big takeaway is that no, we don't like warrants. They're not good things and they don't really help anybody, but they're not the end of the world. It's something that you should not be afraid to take care of. It's something that you should not be embarrassed about, especially if you have a good reason. Just contact a lawyer. We do this all the time. You're welcome to contact us. Our phone number is 480-280-8028. Thank you.